Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a challenge type video. I got this idea from, I think it was the BoxyCharm Instagram stories. Two of the girls that work at BoxyCharm were using this palette and they decided to pick the colors that they were going to use out of a hat, and then they had to use those colors to create an eye look. So that's what I'm going to do today. This box of crayons palette was actually my birthday gift from Kyle. And I had no idea he was ordering it for me, so when it got here, I was super excited because I'd actually been wanting this palette, and it is so much fun, you guys. Unfortunately, one of my eyeshadows did break, so they're actually sending me a second palette, which I'm going to be putting in a giveaway very soon once it gets here. But look how fun these colors are. Like, that looks like a box of crayons. That's pretty cool. This could go very, very badly. Or it could go kind of okay. It really depends on the look of the draw. So if you want to see me pick the colors I'm going to put on my eyes from this hat, keep watching. Okay, my eyelids are all prepped and ready for some eyeshadow. Before I get started, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that little bell notification so that you can get notified when I upload. And let's get started. This is kind of a terrifying challenge because I could pick, like, let's see, red for my crease color. That could be going in my crease, or even this one. This could be very messy. So I think the way that I'm going to go about this is that I will pick one color at a time. So I'll say, like, okay, I'm going to start with my crease, I'm going to pick a color, and that color goes in my crease, or like a transition shade, or what goes on my eyelid. So I think in order to use as many colors as possible, I'm going to do a transition color, a crease color, two lid colors, and then an under eye color, maybe two under eye colors. I think that's how it's going to play out. So that'll be 6 shadows. Whew, 6 very bright, vibrant shadows. And this could go very badly. I might get a shimmer color that I have to put in my crease, and I might get a matte color that I have to put on my lid. We don't know. We really don't know. Let's see. I have all of the colors written on little papers in this hat, so I'm going to do a little shaky shake. This is my transition color. So, oh, I got 2. 1, baby blue. This is a shimmer shade, and this is going in my crease as a transition. Okay, this is going to go real well. Because I have too much blue going on. Blue background, blue shirt. I just had to pick baby blue, didn't I? Didn't I? Dipping in to baby blue. I never put shimmers in my... Oh, yeah, that's just little flakes of glitter everywhere. Ooh. Okay, so this is my transition color. It's very pigmented. This is not my first time using the palette. I have tried it out a little bit just to see what the pigmentation's like and stuff, and they are actually beautiful shadows. Oh man, and I quite enjoy this palette. The one thing that I don't enjoy is the scent. It does have a scent to it that's not super pleasant. It kind of smells like crayons. But other than that, the pigmentation seems really good. The blendability is really good. Obviously, shimmer in my crease is not blending super well. The shimmers so far seem to be really nice when you put them on your lid. So we are looking shimmery and blue. Deep plum. That's actually a really good color for the crease. Unfortunately, it has to go over baby blue, but that'll maybe help this look out. That's this guy right here. So I'm going to take this and deepen up the outer corner. This is not blending super great over that shimmer. Oh man. So, what's your plans for summer? My kids have already been done school since the end of April because we homeschool. So they're actually starting to get a little bored already. And we've had a really cold snap this first half of June. It's been really weird. Like, May was super hot, and then June just kind of got chilly and rainy and weird. Not usual June weather for us. So we haven't been outside a ton, but I would love to start getting to the beach. We've been to the water park twice maybe. I would love some more hot weather. This could get real wide. I might have to put like lime green or orange with this. We don't know. I think that's sufficiently blended. So next is, okay, I'm gonna pick one lid color, and this lid color is gonna go like on this inner corner, and then the second lid color is gonna go like in the middle to kind of blend into the purple. Oh, this could go real bad. This is white. Okay, that's doable. I think I'm gonna use some concealer and kind of cut out that center portion so that I can actually make this white show up. I am actually gonna quickly pick my second lid color just so I can get the white on and then the other color on right away. Tan. Okay, so I'm picking up the white and putting it on the inner part of my eye. That's actually a beautiful color. And then I'm going to use the shade Tan to blend that into the purple. So beautiful. This is trendy. Yes. Give it to me. I'm going to take a little more of that deep plum and blend that in a little bit more. That's the look. That's what we're going for. Let's do it on the other eye. So we're doing 2 shades underneath the eyes. This first shade will go on the outer corner. Orange! Yay! Perfect! That'll totally go with this look. This is another shimmer shade. Beautiful orange right here. There's a lot of fallout on my face from using shimmer shades where they shouldn't be used. We're gonna use another color in the inner corner, and that's gonna be red to go with the orange. That makes sense. Totally. This one's a matte shade, so at least we have that going for us. That doesn't make me look like I have pink eye at all. Ooh, I forgot about an inner corner highlight. This could go really bad if I choose like black. This might be a very bad idea, but we're gonna go for it. Can't get much worse than this, right? Green! Okay, yeah, that's pretty bad. This isn't even a shimmery shade, so we're just sticking green in the inner corner for the fun of it. Sounds about right. Very avant-garde. Maybe let's do a second drawing for our brow bone highlight. Really the only color that would have worked for a brow bone highlight is the white, and that's right on my face, so... Oh, lime green! Because, you know, we need a lighter green to go with the inner corner highlight. That will be beautiful. It's not much of a lime green, it's kind of actually more like a soft pale green. It's not actually doing a whole lot under my brow. It's barely even showing up. Oh yeah, we got a little glimmer of green. That went really terribly. But you know what? We're gonna finish it off with some mascara and some eyeliner and some lipstick. BRB. Anyone say that anymore? Probably not. You know, with such a bright, colorful, bold eye look, what finishes off better than a hot Barbie pink lipstick? Okay, well, that was a fun challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this ridiculousness. If you want to see more looks with this box of crayons palette, let me know down below. Leave me the colors that you want to see in a look, and I will make it happen. Thanks for joining me today. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.